A skilled team behind every forging. Forging is a combination of equipment and technique, but what truly shapes the details is the people behind it. Howie's craftsmen have spent years in the industry, understanding how different steels behave and how to make the right decisions under demanding conditions. From temperature control to dimensional fine-tuning, every step reflects accumulated experience. In the footage, you see the process. Behind it stands a stable, responsible team. Their professionalism is the reason customers trust us with their critical components.